Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your crypto assets from Celsius wallet to another wallet or an exchange of your choice. Now when working with Celsius wallet, I have seen a number of people actually complaining about something, specifically when it comes to withdrawing your funds. And that is, if you are specifying the withdrawal address for the very first time in your app, then you will have to wait for a period of 24 hours until you can actually withdraw your coins. And I can see where exactly this becomes problematic to so many users, and that's due to not knowing that this is how the Celsius wallet operates. So to me, I think this is an excellent feature when it comes to security, guys, because this means that practically there's no way that someone could log into my Celsius wallet and immediately transfer the funds out of my wallet to a new address, because obviously I'll be notified via my email. And I have 24 hours, which is plenty of time to actually contact the support services and inform them that my wallet probably has been hacked and that I would need to freeze my funds immediately. So that's the positive side of it. Alright, so the very first thing that you need to do before you actually make a withdrawal from Celsius is to make sure that you have your withdrawal addresses handy. You can simply go into the app and whitelist them way before the day that you would intend to withdraw your funds. And then you have to wait for a period of 24 hours. For it to get confirmed, and from there onwards you can withdraw your funds anytime that you want, and your coins will be on the other end just in a matter of few minutes. And guess what, guys, Celsius is bearing the gas fee for us, which is a nice gesture, so you don't really have to worry about super high gas fees, especially if you are using the Ethereum blockchain to transfer your coins. Alright, I guess that's enough of chit chat, so let's go into the app and I'll demonstrate to you guys how we can make a withdrawal. So I'm going to get my coins out of Celsius and I'm going to transfer them into another wallet, which is called Nexo. But the process would be ideally same if you're transferring your funds from Celsius maybe to another wallet of your choice or even to another exchange. You can pretty much follow the same procedure. So as you guys can see, I'm opening up my Celsius wallet and I'm going to enter my PIN code. And over here you can see my total account balance. Currently it's about $427 of US Tether coin. I'm going to withdraw everything out and I'm going to transfer them over to my Nexo account. Now if you go over to your profile and if you scroll down just a bit, under security, you will find an option to change the whitelisted addresses. So as you can see over here, I have already set the withdrawal addresses for Bitcoin as well as USDT. And if I go over here to my Nexo account, you can see that currently I have a balance of $20. And where exactly do I get this withdrawal address? If you scroll down just a bit, you can see that for a number of coins, we have this option top up. So in this case, since I'm trying to transfer USDT, I can go over here to top up. And this is basically the address that I need to send my USDT from Celsius for them to get transferred into my Nexo account. So it's basically the same address that I have already inserted over here. And when I was doing this for the first time, it took me 24 hours for this to actually get registered. So that's something to keep in mind. If you're trying to transfer a different coin, this address will be different and you have to make sure that you put in this address way before the date that you actually want to make the transfer, because you essentially need to pass through that initial period of 24 hours, which it requires to actually get one particular address whitelisted. So assuming that you guys have done that, all I have to do is just click on this big C icon over here. And the type of coin that I'm going to send is USDT. So I'm going to, well, I don't really have to search over here. It appears right over here. So I'm going to select USDT and I'm going to basically send all my USDT to this particular address and I'm going to transfer everything to my Nexo account. But in your case, if you want to specify the amount manually, you can do that as well. Let's say if you want to only transfer $50, then you can do that as well. But in my case, I'm going to actually transfer all of my funds just like this. And after that, I select continue, and once again it indicates the fact that this is the address to which my coins would get transferred, which corresponds to my USDT account in Nexo wallet. So I'm going to confirm this address, and after that I'm going to select send email verification, because as another layer of security, Celsius requires you to log into your email and you have to accept this particular transfer using your email address as well for it to get executed. Now again I have to enter my PIN code. Alright, now it says that an email verification has been sent. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my email account. And right over here you can see that I have a new email saying from Celsius saying confirm sending coins. You are requested to send this much amount of USDT to this particular address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and confirm this. and click on confirm. Alright, that's about it guys. Now we might have to wait a few minutes until the coins arrive. And if I go over to my Nexo wallet and if I refresh my wallet, alright guys, now you can see that I have already received my coins. My total portfolio balance is 447 and 49 cents. It took about 5 to 10 minutes for the coins to arrive. And if I scroll down and if I check my USDT balance, you can see that now I have a total balance of 447 USDT coins. Alright guys, so that wraps up this tutorial. If you do have any questions, comment them down below. And I do have a referral code if you want to start using Celsius Wallet. And I've been using Celsius Wallet for years guys. I can highly recommend that. And by using this referral code, you guys can get $50 worth of Bitcoin when you open an account with Celsius and after you have transferred $400 worth of cryptocurrency to Celsius Wallet. And you can start earning interest on your cryptocurrencies from day one once you have transferred the funds to Celsius Wallet. Alright guys, so I'll see you again with another tutorial.